Amber's tutelage is guiding minds.
This is the letter Z. It makes the sound Z, Z, Z. The letter Z is a voiced sound. To make the Z sound, keep your teeth closed, but part your lips slightly and pull back the corners, as though beginning to smile. When air and vocal vibrations pass through your mouth and teeth, you have the Z sound. Z is an even and smooth voiced sound and is just like the S sound, but the S is voiceless. You can tell the difference between the Z and the S by placing 2 fingers lightly on your windpipe at the front of your neck. Try it for yourself now. S, Z, S, Z, S, Z. Can you tell the difference? Now for some pictures that start with the Z sound. This is a map of New Zealand. Zealand starts with a Z, Z, Z. This is a zebra. Zebra starts with a Z, Z, Z. This is the digit 0. 0 starts with a Z, Z, Z. This is a zigzag. Zig and zag start with a Z, Z, Z. This is zinc. Zinc starts with a Z, Z, Z. This is a zip tie. Zip starts with a Z, Z, Z. This is a zipper. Zipper starts with a Z, Z, Z. The car went zoom. Zoom starts with a Z, Z, Z. This is a zucchini. Zucchini starts with a Z, Z, Z.
Did you join in with the sound?
Z, Z, Z.
Now it's your turn to look around your environment and find things that start with the sound
Z.
You can go back and watch this tutorial as many times as you like to practice the sound. Amber's tutelage is guiding minds.